how to fix this experience is unavailable due to your account settings error on Roblox. So let's get started. Firstly, all you have to do is, if you have the Roblox app open on your computer, close it before proceeding with the troubleshooting steps. This ensures that any changes you make to your account settings will take effect. Next, navigate to roblox.com and log into your Roblox account. This will give you access to the necessary settings to resolve the error. Now access account settings. Once you are logged into your account, click on the gear icon located in the top right corner of the page. This will open a drop-down menu. From the menu, all you have to do is select settings to access your account settings. Now, in the left sidebar of the settings page, look at the privacy option. Click on it to expand the privacy settings and look for the account restrictions settings and make sure it is disabled. This is often the main reason why you are unable to play certain Roblox experiences. If disabling account restriction did not resolve the error, you may need to adjust the parental controls. In the left sidebar of the settings page, click on the parental controls to access the parental control settings. After that, set allowed experiences to 13+. Scroll down in the parental control settings until you find the allowed experiences option. Make sure it is set to 13+ to allow access to a wider range of Roblox experiences. Now, simply log out and reboot. If you have followed all the steps and are still unable to pay the desired Roblox experience, try logging out of your Roblox account, and after logging out, reboot your computer and then log back in. This can help refresh your account settings and resolve any lingering issues. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.